How long you been around, girl? Longer than your years? Looking out through the eyes of an old soul. Same shit, same fears. Must have been kinda hard for one so young and tender. Walking out onto the lawn, a young pretender. I'm 30 plus years older, looking on you like a saint. Some kind of gift that could be all the things I am and ain't. I watch you cut your swave like a blade through harvest wheat, with eyes that burn and melt with intensity and heat. Who gave you what you are? These visions, these demands, this intolerance and bluntness, this hunger in your arms. I watch you running headlong into this autumn wind, till your face is flushed and your knees are skinned, scattering the magpies and crows from their frost. Your footprints like a path to something lost. I'm turning our wave back in the sunlight from behind. It's like a halo, mesmerizing, undefined. It's like a halo. 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 Bow to the saint amongst us on this frost-encrusted lawn. Rain spattering in the gust of a late storm. And while I drop my head in a strange kind of respect, I feel my driven heart